Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed vertical subtraction of two-digit numbers. In this video we will learn MCQs on subtraction. Today our topic is subtraction MCQs. We can get a same number in different ways with subtraction. We can get 3 by 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2 or 8 minus 4. Which one is the correct answer? Students, you have to tell me. How we can get 3? By subtracting 3 out of 5, 2 out of 5 or 4 out of 8. First option is we have to subtract 3 out of 5. Here we have 5 shapes. We have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3 and we are left with 1, 2. It means we are not getting 3. So, this is not the correct answer. Next option we have is we have to subtract 2 out of 5. Here we can see that there are 5 shapes. We have to subtract 2. 1, 2 and let's count the shapes. How many shapes are left? 1, 2, 3. It means if we subtract 2 from 5, we are left with 3 and we are having the correct answer. Third option is we have to subtract 4 from 8. 8 stars are shown. We have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. It means this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is we have to subtract 2 out of 5. If we subtract 2 out of 5, we get 3. How we can get 5? Here 3 options are given. If we subtract 2 from 7, if we subtract 2 from 6 or if we subtract 1 from 7. We have to find how we can get 5. Let's take first option. We have to subtract 2 from 7. Here 7 shapes are given. We have to subtract 2 from them. 1, 2. Let's count the shapes. How many circles are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means this is the correct answer. If we subtract 2 from 7, we are left with 5. Now check the next option. We have to subtract 2 from 6. Now these are 6 circles. We have to subtract 2. 1, 2 and we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. It means this is not the correct answer. Now we have to subtract 1 from 7. Here 7 circles are given. We have to subtract only 1. Let's count how many circles are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are left with 6 circles. It means this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is first one. If we subtract 2 from 7, we are left with 5. How can we get 2? Here 3 options are given. If we subtract 3 out of 6, if we subtract 5 out of 7 or if we subtract 4 out of 5, how can we get 2? Let's take first option. We have to subtract 3 out of 6. Here 6 circles are shown. We have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3 and we are left with 1, 2, 3. So this is not the correct answer because we need 2. Now we have to subtract 5 from 7. Here 7 circles are shown. We have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are left with 1, 2. It means this is the correct answer. We have to subtract 5 from 7. We are getting 2. We have to subtract 4 out of 5. Out of 5 we have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are left with only 1. It means this is not the correct answer because we need 2. If we subtract 4 from 5, we get only 1. This is not the correct answer. We can get 2 by second option. It means if we subtract 5 out of 7, we are left with 2. In this video, we have discussed some MCQs on subtraction. In the next video, we will learn about getting the same number. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.